What does it mean to be conscious? It is to experience the world, to feel, to think, to be aware. Consciousness is at the heart of what makes us human. It is the foundation of our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Yet for centuries, consciousness remained an enigma. Philosophers and scientists grappled with its nature, struggling to define it, let alone explain it. How does the physical matter of our brain give rise to the subjective experience of awareness? This question continues to fascinate and challenge us today. In this exploration, we will delve into the multifaceted world of consciousness. We will examine it through the lenses of science, psychology, and philosophy, seeking to understand its essence and its implications for our lives. Join us on this journey as we unravel the secrets of the conscious mind. Science, with its emphasis on observation and experimentation, offers valuable insights into the workings of the brain. Neuroscience, in particular, has made significant strides in mapping brain activity and correlating it with conscious experience. The global workspace theory proposes that consciousness arises from the interaction of various specialized brain regions. Imagine a theater stage where information from different senses and cognitive processes is brought into the spotlight of awareness. Another prominent theory, the integrated information theory, suggests that consciousness is a fundamental property of any system that can integrate information. The more interconnected and complex the system, the higher its level of consciousness. These scientific frameworks provide a glimpse into the biological underpinnings of consciousness, paving the way for a deeper understanding of this elusive phenomenon. Our conscious experience is not static, it fluctuates throughout the day and across different situations. We experience various states of consciousness, each with its unique characteristics. Waking consciousness, our everyday mode of being, is characterized by alertness, attention, and engagement with the external world. In contrast, during sleep, our conscious awareness recedes, and we enter a realm of dreams and altered perceptions. Altered states of consciousness can also be induced through meditation, hypnosis, or certain drugs. These states often involve shifts in perception, thought patterns, and emotional experiences, providing a different perspective on the nature of reality. By studying these different states, we gain a broader understanding of the potential and flexibility of human consciousness. The nature of consciousness has been a subject of philosophical debate for centuries. One prominent view is dualism, which posits that the mind and body are distinct entities. Descartes famously argued that the mind is a non-physical substance, separate from the material world. In contrast, materialism asserts that consciousness is a product of the brain and that there is no separate mind substance. This view is supported by the growing body of evidence from neuroscience, which demonstrates the close link between brain activity and conscious experience. However, some philosophers propose alternative views, such as Panpsychism. Panpsychism suggests that consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, present in all things to varying degrees. The philosophical debate regarding consciousness remains lively and complex with no easy answers. Each perspective offers a different way of understanding the relationship between the mind and the material world. Section 5, Consciousness and Personal Growth, the Inner Journey. Consciousness is not merely a scientific or philosophical concept, it is an integral part of our lived experience. It is through consciousness that we perceive the world, make choices, and create meaning in our lives. Self-awareness, a key aspect of consciousness, allows us to observe our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. By cultivating self-awareness, we can gain a deeper understanding of our motivations, strengths, and weaknesses. This inner knowledge empowers us to make conscious choices, develop our potential, and live more fulfilling lives. Practices like mindfulness and meditation can help us cultivate self-awareness and enhance our conscious experience. By embarking on this inner journey of self-discovery, we can harness the power of consciousness to live more authentically and create a more meaningful existence. Section 6. The Global Workspace Theory, a Stage for Consciousness. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of the Global Workspace Theory. This theory, championed by cognitive scientists like Bernard Bars, offers a compelling explanation for how consciousness arises from brain activity. Imagine the brain as a vast network of specialized processors, each responsible for different functions like vision, language, and memory. These processors work in parallel, processing information largely unconsciously. The global workspace theory posits that consciousness emerges when information from these specialized processors is broadcast to a global network of neurons distributed throughout the brain. This global workspace acts like a central stage, where information is integrated and made available for conscious access. This theory helps explain phenomena like attention and working memory. When we focus our attention on something, we are essentially shining a spotlight on that information in the global workspace, making it more salient and accessible for conscious processing. Section 7. Integrated Information Theory, Measuring Consciousness. While the global workspace theory provides a compelling framework for understanding how consciousness arises, the integrated information theory takes a different approach, attempting to quantify consciousness. Developed by neuroscientist Giulio Tononi, this theory proposes that consciousness is a fundamental property of any system that can integrate information. The more interconnected and complex the system, the higher its level of consciousness. This interconnectedness, or phi, can be measured, potentially allowing us to compare the levels of consciousness in different entities, from humans to animals to even artificial systems. While still controversial, the integrated information theory offers an intriguing way to think about consciousness as a measurable property, opening up new avenues for research and potential applications. Section 8. Beyond the Brain, Panpsychism and the Universe. While mainstream science tends to focus on the brain as the seat of consciousness, some philosophers and scientists are exploring more radical ideas, such as panpsychism. Panpsychism challenges the traditional view that consciousness is unique to living beings. Instead, it proposes that consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, present in all things, from rocks to rivers to stars. According to panpsychism, even seemingly inert objects possess a rudimentary form of consciousness, although it may be vastly different from our own. This view resonates with ancient spiritual traditions that saw consciousness as an inherent aspect of all existence. While panpsychism remains a fringe theory, it encourages us to expand our understanding of consciousness and consider the possibility that the universe is far more interconnected and mysterious than we might imagine. Section 9. Conclusion: The unfolding tapestry of consciousness. Consciousness is an enigma, a mystery that has captivated philosophers and scientists for centuries. From the intricate workings of the brain to the profound philosophical questions about the nature of the mind, our exploration has only scratched the surface of this vast and complex subject. The scientific study of consciousness continues to advance, offering new insights into the neural correlates of awareness. The global workspace theory and the integrated information theory provide compelling frameworks for understanding how consciousness arises from the material world. Yet consciousness remains more than just a collection of neurons firing. It is the very essence of our being, the source of our experiences, our values, and our aspirations. By cultivating self-awareness and exploring the depths of our own consciousness, we can unlock our potential and live more meaningful lives. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of consciousness, we are embarking on a journey of self-discovery and a deeper understanding of the universe itself. The tapestry of consciousness is vast and ever unfolding, inviting us to explore its infinite possibilities.